Hey, welcome everyone. It is John the Net Guy, and today we're taking a look at the Chinese diesel heater. This is an enclosed unit. I'm going to give a quick unbox here, show you what you get with it, and we'll talk a little bit about the differences of this and other Chinese diesel heaters. Also known as parking lot heaters, this is from JEABONG. This is the air diesel heater, fully enclosed unit. It's going to have an air outlet, an air inlet, an intake air for the flammable air, and an exhaust pipe and muffler. So this is your operating instructions. It's fairly sparse. There's not a lot of information in these, but the good news is they're almost all identical from any brand that you get. So the instructions for one are usually going to work with another. So in this case, here is the air intake pipe, which I find along the side. This is the exhaust pipe, which is also found along the side. This is going to be an air outlet hose, and you can attach their air outlet, which is aimable. Now remember, they don't have a block off for this because you never want to block off the air outlet. It could actually cause a fire. So standard size hose here, let's take a look. I believe it's 3 inches. We'll look at what the inner diameter is. So 3-inch inner diameter, outer diameter about 3 1/8 here. These mufflers are almost identical across all varieties that you're going to see. It's just to help silence the sound a little bit. Includes the hardware. Don't lose this hardware because you're going to need it to be able to mount this cleanly to something. There's also some additional screws that popped out of this. Now these will include less accessories naturally because most of the stuff is already put together inside the case here. Now you are going to still include an air inlet. So this is the air inlet, and it's supposed to calibrate the flow from this pipe. So don't run without it. It'll also keep the critters out, hopefully, with those smaller inlets. There's some zip ties, definitely some mounting clamps here to mount the air exhaust output. There's a couple clamps to mount the pipes for the air and the exhaust, as well as some hose clamps for that air and exhaust, and a few extra screws for mounting it down. Now, like I said, this whole unit is one piece. So you have a controller built into it right up front here. This controller is removable and comes off. You do have a removable 4-button remote on, off, and plus and minus for adjusting the temperature. This is going to have a gas tank, but it's going to be smaller than some of the other ones. The way you access all of the componentry is by opening this up. Additionally, on the back, it's a simple 2-wire hookup. This is 12-volt DC model. Just make sure that you get a 12-volt supply that can supply at least 12 amps. So you need at least a small 10 amp hour battery or an AC adapter that can supply 12 amps. So inside the unit, you'll see we have everything that a standard diesel heater needs. You've got your fuel tank. Down here, you're going to have your fuel pump at an up angle. You've got your solid PTFE tubing. Additionally, a couple concerns that I had on this one specifically, and I'll show them on the top-down camera. Right here, the PTFE tubing already has scoring from being in shipping, so vibration is going to lead this thing to rub and potentially create a fuel leak, so that could be really dangerous. The same thing actually with this electrical cable. There's no grommet here on the back side, so there's a potential for either a short or another leak there. The rest of it looks okay. It's mounted, the heater itself is mounted through the bottom, and then you have connectors. Unfortunately, none of these ever sit high enough not to have the exhaust run into something. So I would recommend mounting this to a couple 2x4s to get it up a little bit higher. Now, this only is a 5-liter or about 1.3 gallon fuel tank. If you want a larger one, you can look at the other diesel heaters that come as individual components. And if a clip were to accidentally come out like this, you can slide the clip back on and then lock it into place. Now this does have a little window where you can see if the fuel is starting to run low that you've put in, and the fuel tank's pre-plumbed, pre-ready to go. So you could send this to somebody with a AC to DC adapter and get them going almost right away with very little setup. This has been John the Net Guy, and now you know about the Chinese diesel heater from JEABONG. Stay tuned for another video where I'll show you how to hook this up and we'll see how it performs.